In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a domain redirect in Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send visitors from one address to another in a clean, reliable way. First, log into your Hostinger account. On the main panel, open websites or domains. If your domain is attached to a hosting plan with an active site, go to websites. If it's just a registered domain without hosting on Hostinger, choose domains. This helps you land in the right place for the redirect controls. If the domain is on a hosting plan, open the website's dashboard. In the sidebar, look for redirects. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Tools or Settings, but it's labeled clearly. Once you're in the redirects area, select the domain you want to redirect. If you manage multiple domains, double check you've picked the correct one to avoid sending traffic to the wrong destination. Next, decide whether you want to redirect the entire domain or only a specific page or folder. If you only need a section moved, for example, a blog or an old landing page, enter the path such as blog or /old page. Leaving the path blank will redirect the whole domain. Using an exact path keeps your other pages intact. Now choose the destination type. If you want visitors to land on another website or a specific page, select URL. If you need to point traffic directly to a server, choose IP address. For most use cases, URL is the right option. When entering a URL, include the full address with HTTP or HTTPS, and use the version that matches your SSL setup to avoid browser warnings. Enter the destination where visitors should be sent. Take a moment to confirm spelling, slashes, and any subpaths, since typos can cause loops or dead ends. When everything looks correct, click Create or Save to apply the redirect. Finally, test your setup. Open the domain in a fresh browser tab or an incognito window to bypass cached results. Try both the root domain and any paths you redirected, and check with and without www if it applies. Some changes can take a few minutes to take effect, so be patient if it doesn't work instantly. One important note: if your domain is connected to Hostinger Website Builder, the redirects option won't appear there. In that case, you'll need to create the redirect through Cloudflare instead, following Hostinger's guidance for Cloudflare-based redirects. That's it. You've created a reliable redirect in Hostinger and verified it's working.